Sarve Jana Sukhna Bhavantu. Hi friends, this is Dr. Bapuji Pullepu alias Dr. BP. See, already I started previous video. What is the Cayley-Hamilton theorem? Using the Cayley-Hamilton theorem, they may ask A inverse or A to the power of 4, whatever may be we can find. One problem we do, you see. Verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem, hence find A inverse. Hence find A inverse means what? Still you can continue. Still you can continue. So what I will do? First this means what? Whatever may be, you can start with characteristic equation, right? What you know characteristic equation? CH equation 0, determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0. Then what you will write, that is on diagonal you can give lambda 3, 7, 4, 2 minus lambda 3, 1, 2, 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. Once if we get in, there is no need to expand the determinant. So what I will do, slowly I will go for the formula. I will use this is how I will write third degree eigenvalues equation, lambda cube s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 is equal to 0, where s1 is equal to what? A11, A22, A33. That is equal to what? A11, who is A11? 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4. S2 is equal to what? C11, C22, C33. Cofactor of diagonal elements. Then 2, 1 minus 6. 2 if you leave, 1, 1 minus 7. 1 means what? 2 minus 12. Just I am skipping, writing directly. S2 what I will get? S2 I will get minus 20. S3 equal to determinant of A. This is also just I am skipping, you can try. 1, 3, 7, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. That is equal to I am getting minus 35. Reaching on that. So if I go back and substitute, what is my characteristic equation? Lambda cube, who is my S1? Minus 20. So minus or plus, I think check plus 20. Check yourself. S1 is 4 lambda square. Then S2 is what? Minus 20 lambda. Then S3 is what? Minus 35. So it's become, that is, this is plus 35, we will get minus 35. Just you can check without doing, I am doing, just you can write s square minus 4 minus 20 minus 35, right? So once after completing this, you will reach a characteristic equation. Then actually eigenvalues case means what? You will find eigenvalues, you will find eigenvector. In this case, what is doing? Verify the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. But by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, what they are telling? Put lambda. Every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. So what you will put? Lambda is equal to A. Put lambda is equal to A by Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Put lambda is equal to A. So then what you will get? A cube minus 4A square minus 20A minus 35 into single number I am not able to add. So I will write one identity matrix is equal to 0. Reaching or not? Now what I will do, I want to verify this. Verify means what? I want to find A cube, A square, then A, then if I add means I have to get the 0. So I will find out first A square. A square is equal to what? A into A. Who is my A? 1, 3, 7, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 7, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. This is equal to write first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. If we hold one row in our hand, all columns you can multiply from the second matrix. If you hold first row means what, all answer you will get the first row. If you hold second row means what, with second row all columns you can multiply, then you will get the second row. Already I know, I told you second row second column means what, if I two element means what, you can check this is second row second column. So this is also I am skipping, I am writing from the textbook, you can do yourself. Matrix multiplication, then a square is equal to 20, 23, 23, 15, 22, 27, 10, 9, 14. Just check ourselves. Once if I get the a square, what I will do, a cube I will do. This is I am leaving in our hand, just you can check yourself, this part you can check. Because already lower standard you have done matrix multiplication, just I am omitting that previous problems also I have done lot of things. Then a cube how we will do? A into a square. Who is my a? 1, 3, 7, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Then a square already I got. What is my a square? 20 this is. 20, 23, 23, 15, 22, 37, 10, 9, 14. Then find again first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, all you can fill in first row. Then a cube what you will get? Just this is also I am just copying. A cube is equal to 135, 152, 232, 140, 163, 208, 60, this is 140, 76, 111. So a cube also ready-madely available. Just go back and substitute it. Substitute it in the equation by Cayley-Hamilton theorem. What I will do, just you can substitute. Shall I rub off? Just verification only. To verify only, this is all I am doing. So if you substituted, what you will get actually? A cube value, then minus 4a square is minus also you can take 20a. Just if you write this is equal to what you will get? 135, 152, 232, 140, 163, 208. Just you can check, sir, again I am telling. Minus, but 20 also, minus 20 also I am taking inside. So plus I am writing, this is what? Minus 80, minus 92, minus 92, minus 60, minus 88, minus 148, minus 40, minus 36, minus 56, plus minus 20a. This also minus 20 I am taking inside. Minus 20, minus 60, minus 140, minus 80, minus 40, minus 60, minus 20, minus 40, minus 20. Then minus 35i. This also minus I am taking inside. Minus 35, 0, 0, 0, minus 35, 0, 0, minus 35. So if you add all, you have to get 0. You have to get, otherwise the problem is wrong. So while correctioning, what we will do, what is a square we will check, what is a cube we will check, then multiplication what, then automatically we do. So step by step we don't want to go, just check, refer what is the a square. So carefully you can do. Once if I get them is what, hence verified Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So verification completed. After verification, what is doing? Hence deduce what? A inverse. Hence means what? Still continue. To find A inverse, what I will do? to find A inverse, taking this equation, this is already I know, taking this equation, to find A inverse, then 4A square minus 20A minus 35 I is equal to 0. Pre-multiply by A inverse. Suppose if they ask A power 4 means what? Pre-multiply by A. Actually pre-graduation means what? That is what? Before degree. Post-graduation means what? After degree. So your qualification now in, suppose if you are in degree level means what? You are qualified only pre-graduation only. Once if you go MS or MTech means what you can say? Post-graduation. You are qualified graduation. So pre-graduation, post-graduation. So pre-multiply by A inverse means what I will get? A inverse A cube 4A square. This time operating 35 I is equal to 0. 0 into A inverse equal to 0. Then if you take A inverse inside, what will happen? A inverse into A cube is A square minus 4A minus 25I minus 35A inverse is equal to 0. So this how can I write? 35A inverse is equal to A square minus 4A is 20I. Then A inverse is equal to what? 1 by 35 A square minus 4A minus 20I. So in my hand A square is available, A is available, I know. Just you can substitute it. A inverse is equal to. So I am not using any formula here. I am not using A inverse is equal to what? Adjoint of A by determinant A. I am not using any formula, just I am doing. Then A square again I am copying. What is A square? 20. 1 by 35 is common. 20, 23, 23, 15, 22, 37, 10, 19, 14. Minus 4m is what? 4 also you can take inside with minus. So it's become minus 4, minus 12, minus 28, minus 16, minus 18, minus 12. Because this simplification I am copying. Normally integration like this, everything is multiplication, you know. So that's why we are copying. Don't worry. Just you can do yourself. You don't copy down. Minus 8, minus 4. 20i. Minus 20i means what? This also I am taking inside. Minus 20, 0, 0, 0. Minus 20, 0, 0, 0. It's 20. So if we simplify means what? 20 minus 20 cancel, minus 4 is balance. So 1 by 35, what you will get? Minus 4, 11, minus 5, minus 1, minus 6, 25, 6, 1, minus 10. Again you can check. So this is the A inverse. Suppose if they ask to find A power 4 means what you will do? Multiply by A, pre-multiply by A. So this is the way of doing. So what they will do? Verify Cayley-Hamilton means verify. Sometimes they don't ask. Using Cayley-Hamilton find A inverse means what? No need to verification. Directly you can go for the A inverse. So see the problem, carefully you can read and attack. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. We meet in next video. Bye.